in a object orientation program, okay, one object interact with another object by passing the messages. One object interact with another object by passing the messages. That means when you are moving through a traffic, so it is signaling you red, green. So from that signal, you coming to know that what is the next course of your action. Your mobile phone is an object. You are also an object. So your mobile phone is notifying you if somebody is calling. যেটা মেসেজ আসছে আমি জানি পড়ছে, WhatsApp রে মেসেজ আনলে আমি জানি পড়ছে by use of what? Ringtone and sound notification. So one object like your mobile phone is interacting with you by passing these messages. Okay. So now every object is having a state. If you're talking about your mobile phone is an object. It is having also a state. What is that state? Silent mode, vibration mode, ringing mode. These are called as the state of your mobile phone. Next, every mobile phone contains some behavior. Okay, আমি যেটা মোবাইল ফোন কিনিবা আমি তার বিহেভিয়ার পচারিবা. So first of all we asking for what? As a technical guy, we have to ask for the what is the RAM, what is the ROM. Then we looking for that what is the camera capacity is present or what is the camera software it is using. Okay, so it means material thing which is presented physically. It has a state and display the behavior. Behavior means the feature. What are the features are present in the mobile phone? Then the mobile phone is having a unique identity. Okay, I'm a same company the mobile phone किनिबा, same color ହେଇଥିବ, everything has same, but its IMEI number or serial number is different. So every object is having a particular unique ID. Okay, so object means it is a material thing which is presented physically, it displays the behavior and it has unique identity. Two objects may have the same behavior and state, can never have the same identity. Okay, so if you look at this picture, a car position at one place define its state. The car registration number define its identity. When car is moving, that means it is its behavior. Is it clear? The car, when it is present in an off state, it is a state of the car. Car number is called as the identity. Okay, so next we have to come to the classes. Combination of, just I have discussed, combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the object. Okay, the combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the classes. In object programming terminology, data within an object represent its state. Data within an object represent its state. It means what? माने आमे जेता देखिबा हमर स्कोर जदी 80 अछि, that means your score is what? You are in the A grade. Okay, if your score is below 30, then your grade is fail. Means from the value we coming to know that what is your stage. When you are ride your bike and your petrol is indicated to the red, that means what? That means your petrol is going to be empty, then you have to fill up your petrol. Okay, so that means data within an object represent its state. Data is termed as an attribute. So you all are called as what? You all are called as entity for whom I am storing the information, that is called as the entity. For you, what are the information I am storing, that is called as the attribute. Okay, so you all are called as the entity For you, I am storing your name, your contact number, your address. That is called as the attribute. Okay. So when you store the information, entity and attribute play the important role. Then now comes to the method. Okay, so which is very important part and you are using in your programming language. Okay, method is what? It contains the set of instruction to do a specific task. Okay, যেতବେଳେ আমি মোবাইল ফোন খোলিবা মোবাইল ফোন রে কোন রয়েছে গোটে ব্লুটুথ অপশন আছে গোটে ওয়াইফাই অপশন আছে আমি যেতବେଳେ আজি ব্লুটুথ অপশন जो বি লেখা আছে আজি প্রেস করছো আজি ব্লুটুথ অন হলা কালি চেঞ্জ হই যাଉଛି কি ওয়াইফাই টা ব্লুটুথ হই যাଉଛି ব্লুটুথ টা ওয়াইফাই হই যাଉଛି so every option means b means you coming to know that yes, it is a bluetooth. Okay, so when you are having a symbol like this one, okay, if you have the symbol Wi-Fi symbol, okay, so when you have this Wi-Fi symbol, that means you coming to know that yes, it is a this option is used for Wi-Fi. So this option is never changes. It contains the set of instruction. Means when you press this option, Bluetooth is enabled. When you press this Wi-Fi option, Wi-Fi is enabled. So every option is used for unique purpose. Okay, so that is called as the method. Method contain the behavior. It is associated within the object. Your mobile phone is an object. In that object, your what? Bluetooth is present. Your Wi-Fi is present. Okay. It have set of instruction to do a specific task. It implement the behavior of the object. We call this device is a smartphone because of there is a smart functionality is present. Okay, so it implement the behavior of the object. An object is called as the instance of class. Understood this one? Method. What is method and what is class? Any doubt? Entity. एंटिटी माने आमे जहा पाई इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करबा सेटा होची एंटिटी आ जो इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करबा सेटा होची एट्रिब्यूट तुमे मते जानलो सो आई एम एंटिटी तुमे कोन करलो मो नेम टा स्टोर करलो एट्रिब्यूट मो कॉलम टा होची एट्रिब्यूट एंड टेबल इज कॉल्ड एज द एंटिटी ओके सो आई एम एंटिटी बट माय नेम इज एट्रिब्यूट माय कांटेक्ट नंबर इज एट्रिब्यूट व्हाट इट tuple in relational database row ta kaiba tuple okay an object is called as the instance of class if it is a java class you are the instance of class or you are the part of the class so object is called as the instance of class or part of the class okay instance means it belongs to that particular class. You are belong to the Java class. So you are the instance of that particular class. If you notice here, student, so here student 1 and student 2 is called as the instance of class. Student is a class and here student 1 and 2 is called as the instance of class. Okay, so student is a class. Student 1 and 2 is called as the instance of class or object of the classes. Messages are used for communication between the object. Like a car is flashing the light to pass the message to the another car, then car is moving. हमें तरह गोटे गाड़ी को overtake करियो हमें light flashing करूचे, so I want to go forward. Okay, so that is what that is called as what like we are passing the information. Okay. Then another car is moving. So it is a question for you now. Ready for that? Identify the different state of MP3 player. Tell me. State of MP3 player. Yes.
So pause,
play, rewind, forward. So that is called as the word state of your object. Okay. Next question. John went to shopping mall. John went to shopping mall to buy some clothes. Okay. John went to shopping mall to buy some clothes, then check here, the door of the shopping mall was automatic, which opened as soon as John stepped near it and closed as soon as John entered the mall. So identify the following: the possible receiver of the message, the possible method the receiver can use. So who is received the message here? Any other answer? Subhasri, Lipsa? The possible the
door sensor.
sensor. ମାନେ ଆମେ ଯିବା ଡୋରଟା ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ଖୋଲିଯିବ and ପଶିଯିବା ଡୋରଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ. So who is receive the message? Yes. ମୁଁ କହୁଛି କିଏ ଶୁଣୁଛି? କିଏ ଶୁଣୁଛି? सिंपल आंसर मु कहूँ किए शुणुची मु भीतर को जाऊँ किए लिसन करूँ किए रिसीव करूँ यस डो सेंसर मी आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट मु कहूँ तमे मन रख माय ब्रेन इज रिसीविंग योर ब्रेन इज नॉट रिसीविंग यू आर रिसीविंग व्हेन यू आर मूविंग sensor is present inside but who is listening door is listening so here the possible receiver of the message is your door and the possible method the receiver can use that is what the possible method means what method means work that is open the door and close the door okay जाने पे लेना दिन जॉइन कर लेना हेलो तुम्हें आउथरे जॉइन करलानी अच्छा तो अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है What are the advantages of the object orientation? Okay, so first of all, one is realistic modeling. Okay, suppose we plan. Okay, so tomorrow is Sunday, so you have to plan for a get together. Okay, and you want that you have to prepare all the food by yourself, and you fix the item like chicken. Okay. तो हाउ यू हैव टू प्लान इट आम गोटे फिस्ट करवा सांग मैंने मिसिकी तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुम केमती प्लान कर प्लान केमती कर गोटे फिस्ट करवा प्लान केमती कर पूरा अरेंजमेंट हम देखो केते पिला अछनी केते आइटम्स के ओके तापरे हाँ वेन्यू तापरे पैसा कलेक्ट करियो so you first of all what happen first you have to plan it हमें प्लान करवा को जगह को जीवा कौन खाइबा ता पई इंग्रेडिएंट्स कौन दरकार हो सेते के हिसाब रे हमें कौन करवा ना हमें पैसा कलेक्ट करवा तापरे फिस्ट बनवा it is called the realistic modeling. I move to the software industry. Software industry रे ये realistic modeling बहुत important role play करे. So what is that? Now when suppose I come to one company and asking for I want a software for the student management database. So it doesn't mean the developer team you need student management database. Sit here, I write the program. Okay. एमती कहते फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल one team is going to the college or school and asked what are the requirements, then they have to point it out. It is not possible that for every problem you have to give a solution. Okay, software रे किसी limits थाए, सबू limits भीतर कौन limits थाए, software रे सबू बने हबो, किंतु गोटे first limit थाए budget issue. Budget and another is what? Timing. One is budget, another is timing. मते एत्ती की टंका भीतर बनेवार अछि आउ एत्ती की टाइम रे दवार अछि तापर मो सॉफ्टवेयर डिलीवर करिवि मो टाइम रे जदि सॉफ्टवेयर डिलीवर न करिवि ताले कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैंसिल हो जिवो ताले मु जते की पैसा पाइबा कथा पाइबेनी so first of all one thing is what now first you have to understand the customer requirement so based upon the customer requirement you have to noted it okay and you have to give a dummy idea so based upon your requirement your dummy idea is just like that so I'm going to dummy example if they are accepted okay then we have to go to design and the software or write the program okay similar way when you stitch your dress from tailor first of all you have to take the what cloths okay तापर टेलर कौन करी ना कपड़ा को मेजर करिवो केते कपड़ा अछि मेजर करिवो तापर तमरो मेजरमेंट नबो तापर से कहबो तुमे जो डिजाइन ता चाहो से डिजाइन ता ही परिबो ओके जदि न होई परिबो से सजेस्ट करिवो जे ए डिजाइन ता कर so that all the thing is called as the what realistic modeling means understand the system understanding the system is called as the realistic modeling then comes to the reusability reusability is what it allow to reuse existing class or object it allow to reuse existing class and object that example I have given like your plate that is called the reusability suppose if you go for the technically in technically just a minute when Windows 7 is coming to the market it comes in the version of Windows 7 basic okay then I add some kind of functionality and convert into Windows 7 professional okay similar way when you purchase any mobile phone okay I have suppose like Nokia mobile phone but I have the back cover of what Apple is my mobile phone is converted to Apple okay so for making the good look and feel I have to create this what reusability concept reusability concept means you if you need some kind of changes in your software you have to just add that functionality only मतलब सेही पार्ट रो फंक्शनलिटी टा को ऐड करिया पड़िबो टोटल चेंजेस करिया मते दरकार नै आई डोंट वांट टू रीराइट द एंटायर प्रोग्राम आई जस्ट डेवलप दैट प्रोग्राम एंड जस्ट ऐड इट ओके next is modularity modularity it allow the object to be maintained independent to each other means it divide the software into smaller part it divide the software into a smaller part and each smaller part is handled individually so that is called the modularity माने गोटे लोको यूजर इंटरफेस बनेला जने बिजनेस लॉजिक लिखेला आ जने डेटाबेस बनेला तो एटा को आजिवा मॉड्युलैरिटी कांसेप्ट it allow the object to be maintained independent of each other okay next ame jiba flexibility to change means like conversion of Windows 8 operating system to the Windows 10 operating system is called as the flexibility to change means you add the new feature in the existing class then convert it into the new class okay flexibility to change means it allow to create a new class by adding a new functionality on it that is called the flexibility to change conversion of Windows 8 operating system to the Windows 10 is called the flexibility to change means I add the new functionality and I have created the new class that is called the flexibility to change. Okay, next is information hiding. Information hiding, it allows the programmer to limit the access to information. It means what? It plays very important role in our program. When you are moving to a, or you are going to a dress shop, okay, dress shop, I'm not asking for like any mart, but dress दुकान को जीवी, dress दुकान ने पचारी को भाई मतलब टी शर्ट दरकार, तो सी कौन कहियो, तो what is your size, then what is your range, so between the size and range the person is only showing the particular item. Okay, जदि मु ताको रेंज कहबी 500 से 500 रु 600 जाई परिबो, और 500 रु बिलो 100 400 जाई एई प्रकार आइटम मते देखै परिबो. So the item the person is showing, that doesn't mean other items are not available. Other items are available, but which information is relevant to me, it is only showing that information. Okay, so which information it is showing you, that is called as the abstraction. It is called as the abstraction. And which information it is hiding from you, that is called as the encapsulation. Which is not relevant to you, that is hidden from you, so that is called as the encapsulation. It is abstraction, it is encapsulation. Abstraction means showing the relevant information, encapsulation means hiding the information which is not required for you. Okay, so this abstraction and encapsulation is implemented in the programming language by using of access specifier. It is called as the access specifier. By using of access specifier, we have to use this abstraction and encapsulation. Okay, जेमति कि आमे कोन करछे फेसबुक रे फोटो रखुछे, किछि फोटो आमे पब्लिक कर दउछे, किछि फोटो आमे कोन करछे फ्रेंड्स ओनली माने पब्लिकली देखि होबने, आम नले आमे कोन करछे किछि लोकन को आमे न देखा पय ताको रेस्ट्रिक्ट करछे एक्सेप्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. स्टेटस रे भी आमे सेमति करि परछे व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस रे. तो एटा कहिबा कोन हमरा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन एंड एनकैप्सुलेशन बुझियला. एटा हला ओप्स कांसेप्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट. एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? भल लागले ना भल लागले? हां, ओके, ताले मु जावा रो फीचर को मूव करी जदी बुझि पालो को, और एनी डाउट द बचा बुझियला. Okay, so I just start now. हाँ सुबह सुबह हाँ क्या हाँ हाँ रहेगी नहीं हाँ हाँ ओहो जो आसिकी पळिथले जे चंग चंग पळिला हम्म अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है कौन कहला अजी ठीक है okay, so now we move to okay, so we move to the first Java programming language. Basically, when the concept of Java has come in the 1990, okay, So it is developed by Sun Microsystem. Now Sun Microsystem is not present. Okay, it is handed over to the Oracle. Okay. Sun Microsystem just a minute. Okay, so first of all, we go to the Java. So why Java is coming? So Java main motive for developing Java is what? For creating platform independent language. Okay, the primary motive for developing Java was for need for platform independent language. Platform independent language means you can create your application in one platform and you have to use in the different operating system. Okay, so what are the different application we're using in Java? One is your CUI application. A different type of application that you are using. One is your CUI. Okay, CUI stands for character user interface. The CUI stands for character user interface. Okay, next we are using GUI. Character user interface means this application runs in the command. So by working with your command, if you want to write, so you have to pass the command here. GUI stands for graphic user interface, graphical user interface. GUI application is stands for graphical user interface. Okay, means today what are the application we're using? So it is having some kind of interface. The login page ho, kimba sign up page ho. So that is a having a graphical user interface. Okay. Next we are using what? Applet. So now we're not using the applet. So applet is a program which is written in Java, but for running the application, we require a browser. Now it is converted to the advanced Java. When we're using higher version of application, then we're using applets. Okay, so it is a program which is written in Java, but for running application, browser is required. Okay. Next is your servlet. Servlet, it is used in the advanced Java part. What is that servlet? Servlet is a Java technology class. It is Java technology It is a Java technology class which is used to develop web application in Java. So these are the application that we are created by using of Java. Okay. Now, before you have to create any kind of application, you require three parts. Have you written this? Huh? It is recorded. Okay, so you can write also. Now what मैं पे जहाँ लिखी हुई तब notes करियो. For creating any application, we require three parts. User interface, कटिला आउथरे जॉइन करिवो बट्टा जाय हो. User interface, business logic, next is database. Okay, for storing all the application माने एटा होचे हमर एप्लीकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट आको बेस करे कि हमर एप्लीकेशन आर्किटेक्चर डिवाइड हेछि थ्री पार्ट रे. आर्किटेक्चर of application. So what are the architecture are present? One is single tier, two tier, single tier, two tier and three tier architecture. So application architecture is divided into the three parts: single tier, two tier, three tier, or we can say it is a entire application. Okay. Now how this three thing is implemented in this architecture. So in single tier architecture, okay, in a single, it is a single tier architecture. In a single tier architecture, your user interface, business logic, and database all are present in a same location. Okay, so if you design any kind of software by using single tier, then you need to install this software in every device. मो सिंगल टायर आर्किटेक्चर नहीं कि जेतबे एप्लीकेशन बनेबी एई एप्लीकेशन टा मते सबु डिवाइस रे इंस्टॉल करिया पड़िबो नले कोन हबो ना एटा वर्क करिबो जे हमें कहि परिबा एमएस वर्ड हो कि हमें जो कौन से आईडी हमें यूज करूचे फॉर राइटिंग द प्रोग्राम तो दे आर बेस्ड अपॉन दिस सिंगल टायर ओके नेक्स्ट इज two tier architecture in the two tier architecture there is a separation concern that is divided